George Jones. Smoke rolling out the window and ice cold beer sitting in the console. Memory laid up in the headlight, it's got me reminiscing on good times. I'm turning off a real life driving, that's right, I'm hitting easy street on mud tires. That's right. On a dirt road, laid back swerving like I'm George Jones. Smoke rolling out the window and ice cold beer sitting in the console. Memory laid up in the headlight, it's got me reminiscing on good times. I'm turning off a real life driving, that's right, I'm hitting easy street on mud tires. That's right. Chillin' on a dirt road, laid back, chillin' on a dirt road, laid back, swerving like I'm George Jones. Smoke rolling out the window and ice cold beer sitting in the console. Memory laid up in the headlight, it's got me reminiscing on good times. Turning off a real life driving, that's right, I'm hitting easy street on mud tires. That's right. Yeah, I'm chilling on a dirt road, laid back swerving. Chilling on a dirt road, laid back swerving like I'm George Jones. Smoke rolling out the window and ice cold beer sitting in the console. Memory laid up in the headlight, it's got me reminiscing on good times. I'm turning off a real life driving, that's right, I'm hitting easy street on mud tires. That's right. Chillin' on a dirt road, chillin' on a dirt road, laid back swerving like I'm George Jones. Smoke rolling out the window and ice cold beer sitting in the console. Memory laid up in the headlight, it's got me reminiscing on good times. I'm turning off a real life driving, that's right, I'm hitting easy street on mud tires. That's right. Yeah, I'm chillin' on a dirt road, laid back swerving like I'm chillin' on a dirt road, laid back swerving like I'm George Jones. Smoke rolling out the window and ice cold beer sitting in the console. Memory laid up in the headlight, it's got me reminiscing on good times. I'm turning off a real life driving, that's right, I'm hitting easy street on mud tires. That's right. Chillin' on a dirt road, laid back swerving like I'm George Jones. I'm chillin' on a dirt road, laid back swerving like I'm George Jones. Smoke rolling out the window and ice cold beer sitting in the console. Memory laid up in the headlight, it's got me reminiscing reminiscing on the good times. I'm turning off a real life driving, that's right. I'm hitting easy street on rough tires. Let's ride. Chillin' on a dirt road, laid back swimming. Chillin' on a dirt road, laid back swerving like I'm George Jones. Smoke rolling out the window and ice cold beer sitting in the console. Memory laid up in the headlights, it's got me reminiscing on good times. Turning off a real life driving, that's right. I'm hitting easy street on rough tires. Let's ride. Yeah, I'm chilling on a dirt road, laid back swerving like I'm George Jones.
Just up here on Bear Mountain Ranch. It's our moogie, our wheat crop. It's our view over the Badlands. More moogie. God's country. Bear Mountain. Okay, there we go. I'll just zoom out. That's the Yumechikare wheat. Big, broad, lovely broad heads on that. Up here on Bear Mountain. And it's the first week of June 2024. Look at it. It's fantastic. It's ripe for the harvest, isn't it, Meg? So be ready to harvest. We make the pandi kampan, organic sourdough and croissants out of this. Okay, and this wheat here is the smaller variety, Meg. These are ready for harvest as well. First week in June 2024. It's a pile of cow shit. Fertilizer which we pour onto the paddocks. It's just where we are in the cornfields. Corn, wheat. Good idea. General size of this place.
こういった新しいその音楽のね、リリース、また公開なんていうのも近々待ってるのかなと思いますんで、新しい音楽にも注目です。さあ、おしまいに TV グループの記事からいきましょう。
Twitching hour on there. See our moogie, our wheat. It's blowing in the breeze in the background. It's pasture up there. They're not Badlands. Out on the ranch lands up here on Bear. Meg doing farm work, getting after it. About to go ring in the K-Towel cattle. It's gonna jump in the farm truck, Dodge Ram, and gas this sucker up and get on down to back paddock. Just go getting after it on Bear. Bang bang on Bear. Hi. We up here on Bear. I don't know if you can make that out. We're scoping for bull elk, spring bear. Look at that view, just an amazing day. But I lost everything. Kiyosato. And Adrian, I did say that I was going to give you a look at our Hokushin wheat. Look, we got some ducks just here. This is what we use for pesticides. See a little duckies there? It's our organic pesticides. Anyway, I'll take you down here. So that's the Hokushin, which is a Japanese variety of wheat. You can see there, got a little bit battered. We got some rain, some wind. This is May 29th, 2024. So we did get a little bit of that tail, but up here we're on the plateau, so it's cooler, so we can grow the better varieties of wheat. But I'll show you our Yume Chikara. Let me show you that, much better wheat. This is the Yume Chihara Kara, and you can see it's a lot better variety. Very good quality, beautiful big heads on that. We use that for the Pandi Kampan croissants, and that's more a traditional bakery variety, which we grow up here on Kiyosato Bear Mountain. And then I'll show you some of these crops we've just got here. We've got broccolis, we've got spuds, we've got miles and miles of freaking broccoli through here. Tons and tons of freaking wheat. Per bushel, we get 36.7 bushels to a ton, and we get 1.5 tons to the acre. We're getting about nana hyuk yen per bushel, yonman goman per ton. We're getting 1.5 tons per acre, which we're down about 50% since 2020. It's just another little house crop. We've got some corn there, some home corn. You can see our greenhouse is just here. So it's just a rest field there. You can see some bluegrass just growing in there, some rye, resting that. There's some of our broadacre potato crops. We've got some more corn up here, and we've got more wheat, although this wheat field up here also got hit. We don't grow any GMO product, everything's heirloom. So there's no Roundup ready, nothing. It's all organic. We use a little bit of pesticide sometimes, but because we can grow this high altitude, dry varieties of wheat, yeah, we don't have to spray any antifungal. We don't have to worry about, I mean, these are getting knocked over from the wind, but soil, flooding, and so on. I'll take you, we'll go jump on the bike, we'll pull some power wheelies, and we'll go over to the cornfield. Okay, so we're just about to jump on the Husky, the big bore thumper. We'll go pull some power wheelies. Okay, so I'll take you over the cornfields. We'll start up the Husky. Go have a gander at the corn. Is all corn, goes for miles through there. And around in we come to the ranch lands on there. All our corn, I'll take you through here in a second, goes right up the very end as far as the eye can see. We've just got silage, loose and chaff and sludge in here for cleaning up the cattle. Okay, one pasture up there. They're not bad ones. Move them back around to the back paddock. So don't get no prettier than this. Out here in the Badlands, Bear Mountain Ranch, just moving the cattle into the back paddock, got an egg on the back of the bike. Pitch him back. Yeah.
chasing the winds, chasing the sun. Sure do have fun, racing the winds, chasing the sun.